Okay, so I'm here by the ocean here. They call it the Caribbean Sea. Look at they're cleaning up the beach. Look, cleaning up the beach, making it nice and neat, beautiful. Green, 7 different shades of green and blue ocean. Look at that, amazing. So punch that like button if you're on YouTube right now. Punch that like button for the Google algorithm. I want you to click on the notification bell to get all my videos, and then I want you to subscribe to my channel. And then make a comment below and say, James, I need help doing this. I need more credit card money. I need more cash. I need a job. I need to make money. I will show you what to do. I currently run 3 different online businesses that bring me in 3 different types of income. And I will show you how to set it up in 1 hour, 1 phone call, live. That's what I do. So send me your name, your mobile number, where you're from, and that's it. I'll get on the phone with you live, or one of my coaches will. I've got 17, 18 coaches that will teach you how to set up an online business. Now, if you're already selling a product, how about I show you how to sell in 26 English-speaking countries, just like one of the richest companies in the world called Amazon, and I'll show you how to do that. That's what I'm doing. How do you think I live in paradise? Okay, we're here at the rooftop pool. We're hanging out, having some fun. Sunday night, August 2nd, 2020, and let me just show you what's going on. We got a full moon here, right over here's the rooftop pool. We got a full moon right over my head, right there, and we have a bunch of friends here. We're hanging out with living in the Caribbean. We're living in the Caribbean, right? So hold on, let me take another video with the light on so you can see exactly what's going on. But we're under a full moon. Fresh squeezed pineapple juice, no sugar, no chemicals, no additives. Fresh pineapple juice. Say hola, baby. She's very excited. Okay, so here we go. I'm right under a full moon in Mexico, in the Caribbean Sea. We're right on the beach, 5 minutes from the beach. We got the rooftop pool going on. We got some friends here hanging out. We're just chilling out on a Sunday night in the Caribbean. And yeah, this is what we're doing. You know, it's August 2nd, 2020. After this whole, the whole coronavirus, it's still going on. You still have to wear a mask here. You have to sanitize your hands when you go out into the stores. But the restaurants and everything is open. So they're just taking precautions. We're just hanging out, making money online. So again, I live this lifestyle. If you want to learn how to live my lifestyle, you have to do 3 things. Number 1, you have to make money online. Number 2, you have to make money in real estate. And number 3, you have to automate the whole system and teach other people how to do it. So I make money 3 different ways, actually 5 different ways, but my 3 different main incomes are teaching people how to make money online, teaching people how to make money in real estate, and then investing all of my money I make with my business into the online business, into real estate, and we just make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 times on our money, literally sometimes every day, every month, and I want to show you how to do that. So keep watching this video. Okay, you're taking... Well, the door is closed. Relax. There's a little boy taking a bath. Wow. Bath time, baby. I wish I was in your shoes, boy. I wish a woman would give me a bath and scrub my belly and clean my ass and my balls. Look at that. Look at that little guy.
A los extranjeros que no,
Jalisco,
que no saben
tequila,
y que luego los mandan.
reposado. We're drinking tequila.
Y los mandan y compran un
Reposado.
va a costar 500.
That's tequila reposado.
Y luego yo los he visto en el súper y les digo, con mi inglés así mucho como lo hablo, digo,
And it's really good.
este-
It makes you happy.
le cuesta 300
It's like, for a guy,
es igual que el
don't tell the girls.
yo me
It's like
llegué a
Eres
tomar.
buen
Viagra.
vendedor, porque fíjate, tu seriedad.
I just got a bath. He's clean. Are you clean? We clean you up? What a spoiled little brat. Look at him. Treated like a king. He's a king in the Caribbean. Caribbean king. Look at that. He's laughing. Look, he's smiling. All right, he's clean.
Es cristalino.
All right, so we got a tequila tasting class going on right now at the rooftop pool. He's teaching us how to. He's teaching us about tequila.
How to taste tequila.
Yeah, say hola, hola.
Hola.
He's teaching about tequila blanco, reposado, and añejo, and how it works.
And how it works.
I think he's the man. So if I get drunk tonight, it's his fault. He's the problem, okay? All right, we see you soon. Say hello, hola, hello,
Hola,
hello.
hola. Hey.
Vayan a YouTube,
Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, Donald Trump.
Vénganse al
No, Donald Trump. We say hello to Presidente de Mexico. The Presidente de Mexico. Coronavirus, pero I don't know. Okay, no problema. No problema. We go to Amarillo, then Verde. No problema. Superboy. Okay, so here we go. Caribbean, Mexico, making money online. I got my friends over here at the rooftop pool in the Caribbean, and I'm telling you exactly what I do every day to make money online. In fact, today's Sunday, August 2nd, 2020. We made over $5,000 today doing this simple thing. And if you would like to learn how to do it, you need to send me a comment below and give me your email, give me your mobile number, send me all of your information, and I will get in contact with you. I promise you I will get in contact with you, and I will teach you how to do this in 1 hour. 1 hour, I will show you exactly how to do what I do to make $5,000 today. I posted an ad on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I had 6 people contact me. Out of those 6 people, 2 people got on the phone with me. I spent 1 or 2 hours with them on the phone, and they sent me money to help them make money online. So I made $5,000 today. You want to learn how to do that? Send me a comment below right now, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Hanging out in the Caribbean, traveling the world, doing whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it, because I know how to teach people how to make a lot of money doing many things, especially online and in real estate. How about I just show you how to change your lifestyle?